Welcome to our beautiful small island in East Halmahera. Our extended family gathered at the pier with bags filled with food provisions and snorkeling equipment. As our wooden boat prepared to depart, I set up my equally important documentation gear, an Avatar 2 drone and the DJI Mini 4 that I had purchased just a few weeks ago. These two drones would serve as witnesses to our journey from different perspectives. The fishing boat we boarded slowly glided away from the dock. On either side of us, large nickel-producing islands stood firm with mining activities faintly visible in the distance. The contrast between industrial activity and the pristine natural beauty made our one-hour journey feel like passing through two different worlds. After 45 minutes, we began to see the gleaming white sand sparkling in the sunlight from a distance. Our small island destination came into view, like a hidden gem among the blue ocean. I immediately launched the DJI Mini 4 drone to capture our first moments. From above, the drone camera captured a breathtaking view. The ring of coral reefs surrounding the island was clearly visible with various gradations of blue. As the boat approached the simple wooden pier, the children couldn't wait to disembark and ran straight toward the beach. The fine white sand felt soft underfoot, so different from the hustle of the city and the fatigue of daily routines. Next, I flew the Avatar 2 drone to record family activities. With its more agile maneuvering capabilities, this drone successfully captured precious moments. Approaching noon, several family members decided to go snorkeling in the coral reef area. From the water's surface, I flew the drone low to record the stunning underwater beauty. Coral reefs of various shapes and colors flourished. I quickly flew both drones alternately to capture different angles. The sun began to lean westward, indicating our time on this island would soon come to an end. This small island in East Halmahera Regency may not be famous on Indonesia's tourism map, but the memories created with our extended family and its natural beauty, captured by our drones, will always remain in our hearts as a reminder of how rich this country is with priceless natural wonders. And that's it, friends, the hidden charm of the nature of East Halmahera, Indonesia, that is rarely seen by human eyes. If you also want to feel the sensation of exploring nature from a different perspective, start your own adventure with a drone. Remember, every landscape holds its own secret beauty. It's just how we find it. Don't forget to follow our channel for more spectacular nature explorations.